Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we're going to be taking a look at our new 285 Grady-White Freedom. As we come into our 28, you can see the aft seating, the fish box, the live well. Get a look at the door from the inside. This boat does have the twin lounges that are electric that come out. Does have the shore shade. There's the underside of the hardtop, same color as the hull to match. There's your electric helm seat, your companion seat. This boat is a joystick boat. Helm master, ready for electronics. Does have a bow table, nice deep seating. This boat does have a windlass. Take a look at the head. It is a marine head with a sink with rod storage. Boat is here in Ocean View. Come take a look. Call us. Thank you.